All right, we're going to do editing number 4, and this one is going to be learning how to make a GIF using the free resources that we have on our computers. So I want you to first go ahead and take between 5 to 10 images of something that is moving. Your camera should not be moving, but the object should be moving. So as you can see, I have this in my drive. I took 8 pictures of scissors opening and closing. The idea is I'm going to animate it so that the scissors will open and close over time. So this is the 8 images I took. I saved them to my drive, and now what I'm doing is I'm downloading them because I'm going to bring them into Pixlr. So after you've taken these pictures, go ahead and start to import them into Pixlr. So I'm going to open up Pixlr, and remember we're going to do Pixlr E, the free version, and we do not need to log in at all. And let's take a look. I need to open an image. The reason I'm bringing it into Pixlr is because I need to resize these so that they are ready for, let's go to downloads. They are ready for going on the web. If you don't change it, it'll be way too big and the file will take too long. Okay, so I'm gonna have to download these individually. So let's start with number 1. Notice I numbered them so that it's gonna be really easy for me to manage them inside of my GIF. All right, so I've got the first one. I'm ready to open my first image. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the first one, and then I'm gonna let you all do that on your own for the next one. So I open this up. And I'm going to do a new size, and it's going to be 400 times 300. Okay, so pre-resize image. Isn't this nice? I'm going to click apply. Then I don't have to do anything extra. So I've already resized this image. It is ready to go. If I want to get it ready for export, let's go ahead and save it as scissors1 edited. And I'm going to keep it as a JPEG. That's fine with me. It's still got the same image width and height. Click download. Notice I decided to do scissors1 edited so that I know that I've resized it. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and do that for all of your images that you took for this. Okay, so now that I've downloaded all my edited images, they are now 400 by 300. I'm ready to import them into an easy GIF maker. So all you have to do is go to easygif.com/maker, and we're going to choose our animated GIF images. So you choose files. And I'm only going to be taking the edited ones. So what I do is I hold down the control key and I click only the ones that say edited. And there should be 8 of them, and I click open. And then click upload and make a GIF. All right, so let's make sure they're in the right order. It looks good. Right now the delay is set to 20. If you wanted to have the last one go for longer, you could change that one if you wanted to. Let's see here. Let's see what it looks like. Let's do make a GIF. And I think it looks good, but I think it's a little bit slow. So what should I do here? How about I decrease the delay time? So I'm going to decrease the delay time to 10. And let's see what happens. There we go. I like that better. It's a little bit faster. So that's up to you. There are some options down here, but we've already done all of our editing. Last thing you need to do is click save. And it saves it as a GIF right here, and you just click it open and it will show you what it looks like. There it is. All you have to do is take that GIF. You can rename it because I think it's a generic name, but you can rename it and then submit it into your assignment.